Today on Homework Helper, we have E10-1, talking all about factors. So the directions say, some numbers have several factors. Complete the following to find all the factors of 12. The first one's done for you. So for number 1, they've done it for you. They have 12 boxes they're representing as picture, and then you'll see underneath, you will see the digit right here, the digit 1 and 2. And then you'll see over here, this is one group. They split 12 into one single group. And if you have 12, you'd put all 12 squares into the circle, making one group. In the entire group, you would have 12. Now, you might be wondering, well, it's a little bit confusing, so let's look at that as a number sentence. That would look like 12 divided by one group equals 12. And if you look at it that way, you say, okay, now I understand what's going on there. Yeah, you take 12, you split it into one group, put all those 12 in one group, and then you have 12 in a group. 12 divided by 1 equals 12. Let's go to number 2. Number 2, they've done everything the same, except they expect you to fill in the circles, the ovals there. So let's take a look. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in here so you can see this a little better. Now let's take a look at this, and you'll notice it is 12 boxes once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We need to split 12 into two groups. So then you want to say, well, how many would be in this group? How many would be in this group if you had two groups? And remember, in division, we have to have equal numbers in each group here. Well, they tell you right here, 6 are going to be in each group. So I would just take my pen, and I would draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I would do the same here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if I were to count all of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sure enough, there are 12 squares. I have 6 in each group. And again, just so we are totally aware of what is going on, let's go ahead and put over to the side. 12 divided by 2 equals 6 in a group. Okay, I'm going to go over another one here. Let's go and notice these are all 12s. So if you know your 12s, chances are these are going to be pretty simple for you, but let's take it slow. We have 12. You know, if you count these all, there would be 12 of them. This time I need to split them into 4 groups. Alright, so I have to think 12 divided by what gives me 4 groups. So I'm going to take that number and I'm going to put that 4 here because I know it's going to be 4 groups total. Now I need to know how many are in each group. Well, I do know 4 times 3 gives me 12, because remember the inverse operation of division would be multiplication. So if I take this and I put 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and I go 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. If I count these, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sure enough, there are 12. Now let's go ahead and write that as a number sentence. We have 12. We split that by 3 groups. No, excuse me, 2 groups. Let's say that again. 12 divided by 4 groups give me 3 in a group. So I actually made a small little mistake here that I need to correct. I need to fix this number 4 right here. Let's see if I can select that. Well, I know what I'll do. Just put an X over it, and it should be 3 in a group. And finally, we'll finish off with our final one, our last 2 questions on this page. We have 12 once again, and they gave us the total number that should be in each group. There should be 4 in each group. So that tells me that there has to be 3 groups, because 4 times 3 would give me 12, or 1, 2, 3 groups of 12 would have 4 in each. 3 groups with 4 in each would give me 12 total squares. So 4 in a group. And then finally, we'll look down at the bottom here. We have what looks like, it says there are 6 numbers that are factors of 12. What are they? Well, I know that 12 times 1 and 1 times 12. We can list those either way we want. Still, there's one. Each of those are a factor. Remember, 2 factors make a product. 3 times 4, 2 factors make 12. And 6 times 2, 2 factors. Let's count and see if we have 6 numbers. We have 1 number, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are the 6 factors that make 12. Thanks for joining us on Homework Helper. Until next time, bye-bye.